Gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe with notifications on.
You can be in a relationship, but maybe if you're not serious, then talk to me.
No, I'm saying I am not in a relationship. What are you saying?
Oh, okay. So you are interested to get someone. So, okay. Can we start?
Yeah, you can start one.
Okay, no problem.
There will be women contacting you from different countries, from Brazil, from America, and all those type of things. So you must stand for it.
Okay. I want to start
No,
now.
I'm just telling you.
Okay, I'm starting now.
He's married now to
Where are you from? Because we are international.
My name is Ongezo. I'm staying here in Stanley.
Okay, which country are you from? Are you South African?
South Africa.
Oh, okay. So what kind of girl are you looking for? From South Africa or from other
South
countries?
African
as well?
girl.
African girl.
South African girl. Okay, what is your contact?
071
Mm-hmm.
150
Okay.
7611.
Mm-hmm. I'm sure she's listening to you. If she's interested, she's going to contact you. Thank you so much.
If you're looking for someone that can actually be serious about your life, this is your opportunity for you to have someone serious. Machitani njani? Ukraine faith. Hey Tara. Are you single? Ah. Ushatile. Unomfazi? I'm helping you because you know what? I'm gonna put you on a program. There might be women from Brazil, bruh, from America, bruh, from different countries, from Singapore, from China, who might be saying, you know what? I'm very interested, bruh.
Okay, sure.
No, they can get you through Facebook or Twitter or Instagram.
Maybe we contact your call the phone number.
Exactly. Ushatile mama. They will contact you, sister. You know what? There are people that are already married now. We got people. They came through the program. I'm telling you, you get people. You get people from different countries who can come to you and say, you know what? This is a woman that I'm looking for. Serious women. Yeah, last week.
So are you guys looking for who?
For FTV, Mr. K's Travel Club TV. So what we do, ne? We do interviews. We do interviews, 3 interviews daily, ne? There's a lot of people that we interview on a daily basis. Some of them they leave their Facebook handle, Twitter handle, or Instagram handle, and then these people or whoever is interested. Exactly. What type of man are you looking for? It must be a Christian or maybe someone who puzaya or a puzi. I'm food. Christian man.
Yes.
Do you perhaps have like maybe perhaps like let's say, do you have a preference? Which country maybe you will say you want your man to be from? You don't have a preference.
Let me think about it. I'll come back to you.
You will come back to me. But now listen to me. It's fine. You can give me your number. They can contact you privately.
I don't want to take my number to give you because there's a lot of scam outside there. So they use our number.
All right. Can they contact you through your Twitter or Facebook or Instagram? Facebook. What is your Facebook name? Mandisa Dungwana. Guys,
yes.
She's saying her name is Facebook handle is Mandisa Dungwana, right? MDUNGWANE.
Yes.
Right. So you can contact her if anyone that is interested. She's not serious. She's not looking for someone that is going to play with her.
60 years.
60 years? Upwards.
Yeah,
not less than 60 years.
I'm too old for
Mama,
that.
thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you so much. Don't be surprised. There will be people contact you, Mama. Thank you so much. I really
Christian
appreciate.
man, nice man,
No one, no.
respect man. The men love football because I'm a football
Ah, thank you. What team would you favor, Mama?
Kaiser Chiefs.
Ah, I'm a Kansas Chief fan also, Mama. Thank you so much, Mama. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Wait. My man, wait.
No, it's a choice. 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 She's right. She's a choice. Everyone has got a choice. No.
Nitakubuza mimi buzo mama.
Yocho,
Hello, Susie. Bani kama lako? Asanda. Okay, Asanda, we'll have to speak in English because maybe you are not looking in South Africa, maybe you are looking in other countries. Yeah, but so we need to make sure we speak in English. What kind of a man are you looking for?
Nigerian man.
A Nigerian man. What kind of how should he be?
Nice and sexy and handsome.
Nice, sexy and handsome. Wow.
Man to big man.
So you must say it in English.
Yo, you're born like
So can if he drinks, is it okay?
yes.
If he smokes, is it okay?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. So where can he find you? You can be.
But what kind of a woman are you?
Mm.
I'm a nice woman.
Are you serious about life? Like, are you ready to get married?
Yes.
Because we don't want people who still want to play around.
I'm ready.
You're
Are
ready.
you ready?
100% ready.
Okay, where can this guy contact you? Do you have Facebook, Instagram?
Or tweet.
Facebook. Okay, say your Facebook, my love. Put it here, make sure it's here so that your men can follow you.
Asake, my dog.
Asake Madlomo. It's your Facebook handle. Right? Asake Madlomo.
Can you please spell it for me?
ASAKHEMADLOMO.
Okay,
Perfect.
Asake Mandomo, then they will get you there. Okay, thank you so much, my love. Please wait for him to contact you. He's not going to contact me, he's going to contact you directly.
Okay.
And I have nothing to do with both of you when I make your own choice.
Okay, son.
Thank you so
Okay,
much, Mr.
but make
Star.
sure you don't take more than one. Eh? You don't do that.
All right, thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, what is your name?
Kamalam last born.
Last born. Okay, last born. Where are you from? Which country are you from?
South Africa.
Okay, a woman. What kind of a woman are you looking for? From your own country or other African countries or other countries?
Chinese. So.
Chinese woman. Okay, how the behavior and everything? How should a woman be?
Be calm.
We must speak English because now this woman is from China.
Okay, she must be kind, calm, and respectful, and dignified.
Wow.
Well done.
Okay. And what kind of a man are you? If you were to introduce yourself to her.
I'm a respected man, a respectful man, a kind man, funny, talkative, and as you see,
All the qualities, my man. All the
Okay.
qualities.
How can she contact you?
she can contact me in all digital platforms or social media.
Yeah, it can be WhatsApp. Sorry, it can be Facebook,
she can-
Twitter,
yeah.
Twitter or Instagram.
Or
So what is your what is your Facebook handle?
At last born Machus.
Lastborn Majosi.
Yeah.
Okay,
Like
can you
all
spell it? Because if she's a Chinese, she may not be able to spell that.
Last born,
Mhm.
as in last born.
Lastborn.
Yeah.
Majosi.
Machus,
Oh.
Machus as in juice, but NA first. Machus.
Oh,
Like how you- yeah.
MAJUICE.
Yeah.
Okay, Majus.
Yeah. In all digital platforms, in social media, I'm Machus. Digital wise, she can watch my videos on YouTube and she can comment there.
Perfect.
Okay, how has your experience been so far
With
with the girls that you've been with?
I think as we chat behind the scene, you told me how your husband is stingy, so I'm that guy. But if all my exes, I'm that rude that you can observe something.
From
That
it.
is,
Exactly.
I'm that tree that is fruitful, I can say.
Ah,
Yeah.
wonderful.
All my exes, they have something out of my personality and my mindset. About, I'm that one. I'm that man who's building.
Oh,
Perfect.
okay.
Yeah.
So you need someone to build with.
Yes, I need someone to build with.
Sounds very good.
But I'm a spiritual man. I don't. We can build. You can be a good girl all the qualities, but if my spirit doesn't match with you, then
You are a very sensitive man.
I'm not sensitive, but I follow my spirit.
Yeah,
yeah, you born again.
that's being sensitive.
I know I'm not born again, but I
You are
follow.
sensitive. Let's say you are sensitive spiritually.
Yeah, you can say
Yeah.
spiritual. Don't say sensitive because
You are sensitive spiritually.
All right, no, thank you so much, my brother. All right.
Are you
Well,
taking us as well?
the program will be live tonight at 7 o'clock. You can go to